so sorry. What do you do? Your mother.
We did it.
I repeat, cum does not work.
Ow. Oh. I put my dick in a bun.
Oh, fuck. I forgot to get the camera. No. I just ripped a fucking hole through space and reality. Show you my dog.
I worry about where the bubbles are coming from my vagina.
Like, if I would sniff this in real life, I think I would just undress. Fully. Bye-bye, Goofy.
I don't know where the other hand is. I found one near me. I found one near me.
I didn't know you could do that. You can't prove wrong. You can't prove me wrong. Not me licking my lips as I find out if the statue has nipples. Well, you can break a penis.
Wait, are you gonna watch me whilst you shower?
What? None of you guys blow me, so. Sleece.
You will pet my fucking bird.
Fuck it. I confuse mothers with cum every time. Capture now, or I'm gonna kill you. Yep. Oh, you can. Oh shit, he's sturdy with it, bro. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Big pog for your mum. I can't believe I just said that. Not keen. What? Hey, relax. Oh, fuck that. Her fucking boobs just started shaking. Thanks. Into the van. No. What? Oh. There's no shot. Someone in the science team just went, damn, that shit hot as fuck, dude. I'm gonna call it sexy shrimp. Like, what the fuck? Like, wait, what the fuck? Hello, welcome to the Friday stream. Welcome to the Friday stream. Welcome to the stream where it's Friday. Hello? 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 That was really fucking weird now, was it? What the fuck? That was really long. What the fuck was that about? What the shit? What the fuck? What the fuck? Thanks for subscribing, guys. Anyway. Oros, welcome to Babushka's house. You know my child slash grandchild. I hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you much for the resub. Appreciate it. Big hype in the chat. It means a hell of a lot. And K Saron, welcome back to Babushka's house. You know my child slash grandchild. I hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you much for the resub. Appreciate it. Big hype in the chat. It means a hell of a lot. What waifu slash bundle would both of you like? If you would like any. Hi everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's doing good. Hello, Folly Vixen. I've been mentioned. Going live note. Yes, that is my going live notification. Yes. It's to the real people in being like, oh. Hello, Steampunk Crow. Hello, Oros. Hello, Kason. How you guys doing? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing great. Robin. Robin? Do I not have Robin? Do I? No, I have Robin? No? Huh. Give me a second. That's really weird. Give me a second whilst I download Robin. I think at some point I'm gonna retire the waifu husbando thing. Not yet, but soon. I know this is one of the reasons why you subscribe to me. I would too. Okay, that's Robin. Do you have one of Stoops from when you played Sea of Thieves? Well, like the character model? No, I do have a few of Stoops. I do have like quite a few pictures of like transparent punks of Stoops. If that could tickle your fancy. Good, I watched the Minecraft movie today. It was just as bad as you'd think it is. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. I'm seeing like a lot of clips of people just quoting the fucking trailers. Like Jack Black saying, "Chicken Jackie," and "Flint and Steel." Good, the troubleshooter addiction's going strong, fair enough. So my week has consisted of me just being unable to not think about convention when I went until last week. No, I get that. I get that. I subscribe for the content and to hear Stoops say you will pet my fucking pet. Yeah. You pet my fucking bird. It's a euphemism if I've heard of one. Let's find a good Stoops picture. Alan sleep. Why not? Why is it like this? I hate... This is one of the reasons why I kind of want to retire the fucking waifu and husbando thing. Because OBS has decided, yeah, you know what? Fuck you. You ain't getting... You ain't getting shit, dude. It's now like messing up the whole thing, which is annoying. Okay. Losing the mustache and now waifus, yeah, I'm out. Fair. Honestly, understandable. Listen, the based Olaf needs to be studied. Like, the based Olaf fall off needs to be studied. We've had a hardcore fall off. I say that. For some reason, me shaving my mustache, like, the pictures of me shaving my mustache got, like, the most amount of likes on my fucking Twitter, which is crazy. When that and no ads. Yeah, that's true. Would you believe me if I said that character said the words "unalive" in the movie? You know, I would believe you, oddly enough. $130 in 7 days, literally. I'm not at work. I'm doing missions on it. I fell asleep during a D&D session because I barely sleep at all. Jesus fucking Christ. I get an addiction to the game, but... I mean, it doesn't matter what I say. You're not gonna listen. Fun fact, I first found you through an announcement on the Soups' Discord. A lot of people did. A lot of people, I feel like the newer audience that are watching now, or like that stick around and watch now, are here because of Stoops. Like, I think maybe 20% of the viewers that watch me are because of, like, before I even started playing with Stoops. And then, yes, the rest are just here because of Stoops. Someone said, I don't know, I'm gonna put my head in my hands. Yay! Yay! I love... It's so fucking annoying. Anyway, beside the point. Video game. Can you tell that I'm... Oh my god! Sorry. Am I angry? I am. Okay. I was here for the mustache. Now I'm just here out of habit. You know what? Respectable.
Screen reader.
Shut up. Give me more brightness. Cool. Subtitles. Give me subtitles, please. Oh. Yes, please. Audio. Accessibility display. Hmm. 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 I don't know why I suddenly turned into fucking Kermit the Frog. Hmm. Idea, if you do retire the husband or wife, about lean into the bass title and offer up to put random musical instruments. I mean, you could still, if you really want, you can still like put musical instruments if you really want. So, many times I put my head in my hands during the movie, and I normally like almost every movie I enjoy. To be fact, I don't think it helps that I don't like Jack Black. That's fair. You better know I'm joking, because if you believe that PS after 4 years, I'll get mad. Listen, at this point, listen, you stayed after the mustache, which means a lot, which already tells me that you're not here because of the mustache. Frame generation. No way. DLSS, give me balanced. Field of view, obviously. Camera shake, not too big. Go default. Yes, please. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, thank you for the hydration. Hydrating now. Is it like choppy for you guys by any chance? Like the camera and stuff, is it choppy or is it normal? Because for me, it's very much choppy, but if it's fine for you guys, then we'll just continue. Shit, would it have been better if I just bought this game on PlayStation and then just played it there? Hold on. I'm gonna double check something. Encoding overloaded OBS. Pardon me. I do apologize. But no, I'm trying to not to die and troubleshoot it fair. Picking up my scouts, I'm mostly listening. He's listening, that is. That's fair. Haven't started yet? Not fully, no, because I'm getting encoding overloaded where I'm like playing this game and it's like chopping up like the it's making the stream like choppy, or like my face cam at least choppy, so I want to see if there's a way I could like
Hello guys, welcome back to Ray's Gaming Attack.
Hello guys. Hello guys. You guys ever say hello guys? No wonder fucking Last of Us is taking 90% of my CPU! What the fuck? Bruv! God damn, dude. Holy shit. That's crazy. That's actually a little bit, fucking crazy, dude. Apparently they said that they fixed the port and stuff, so I was like, okay. Okay. Hold on, I think I've got... Oh. Is it fine now? Oh, so hi, man. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. I think one of the characters in IRL, so... A new Yaoi ship, Jesus Christ. Fair enough. New game. Resources are limited. You know how much I love my resources be limited. Okay. Oh, it's because it was building shaders, apparently. Goddamn. I know I said I was gonna play Sekiro, but I also don't want to put myself through mental torture. I say mental torture. It's not more so mental torture. It's more so torture. Full stop. Yet. Oh. Are you sure you don't want to redo the last 40 minutes? Look at those graphics.
Tommy, listen to me. He is the contractor. He's the contractor, okay? I can't lose this job. I understand. Let's talk about this in the morning, okay? We'll talk about it in the morning. All right, good night.
Hey.
Scoot.
Monday at work, huh?
What are you still doing up? It's late.
Oh, crud, what time is it?
It's way past your bedtime.
But it's still today.
Honey, please not right now. I do not have the energy for this.
Here.
What's this?
Happy birthday.
Your birthday? You kept complaining about your broken watch. So I figured, you know. You like it?
Where the fuck did you get the money from?
Honey, this is... It's
What?
nice, but I think it's stuck. It's not...
What? No. Oh, ha ha.
Where did you get the money for this?
Drugs. I sell hardcore drugs.
Oh, good. You started helping out with the mortgage then.
Yeah, you wish.
Uh-huh. No, for real, how the fuck did she get the money for this?
You're my baby girl.
Joelle.
Hello?
Sarah, honey, I need to get your daddy on the phone.
Uncle Tommy, what time is it?
I need to talk to your dad now. There's something...
Uncle Tommy? Hello?
Oh. I'm obsessed with people watching people play Schedule 1 recently. I saw the game and I'm interested.
Dang it. I forgot to give this to him.
Congratulations. You're not a fossil yet. Happy birthday. Let's see, you're never around, you hate the music I'm into, you practically despise the movies I like, and yet somehow you still manage to be the best at it every year. How do you do that? Crazy. Fun fact, I've never watched anyone play this game, but I have seen someone play the second game. Fun fact, I've never played this game. I've never watched anyone play this game. I mean, I've seen, like, tidbits of it, but that's it. I've seen people play, like, the multiplayer part of this game.
Dad?
She just told you the second ago. Did you not listen? Yeah, right. Drugs.
Daddy? You in here?
To be somehow connected to the nationwide
Where the heck
pandemic.
are you?
We've received reports that victims afflicted with the infection show
That's
signs
nearby.
of increased aggression, and
Move everybody out of here now. There's a gas leak. Hey, move!
there seems to be some commotion coming from.
Get the hell out of here! Run!
What was that?
or most of a friend of mine play it, but it was more like a podcast than actually watching. I know what's about in a few key moments, but I could easily play it myself as I didn't know a thing. Yep, same. Options. Hold on, give me a quick second. Audio. Whoa! Turn it down to 0. Hell yeah, dude. Let's do it this way. Graphics? Question mark. Okay.
There's his phone. Eight missed calls. Where the hell are you? Call me on my way.
Dog dead.
There you are.
Sarah, are you okay?
Yeah?
Has anyone come in here?
No, who would come in here?
Don't go near the doors. Just stand back there.
Dad, you're kind of freaking me out. What's going on?
Why is there no sound effects now? Why is there no sound effects? Hello? Audio. Like, what? Okay.
It's the Coopers. Something ain't right with them. I think they're sick.
What kind of sick?
Jimmy!
Dad?
Honey, come here. Jimmy! Jimmy, stay back! Jimmy, I am warning you!
You shot him.
Sarah.
I saw him this morning.
Listen to me. There is something bad going on. And you've got to get out of here. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Tommy, come on. Come on.
Where the hell you been? You have any idea what's going on out there?
I got some notion.
Holy shit.
What in there?
You got blood all over
It
you.
ain't mine. Let's just get out of here.
This ain't half the people in the city lost their minds.
Can we just please go?
Some sort of parasite or something. You gonna tell me what happened?
Later.
Hey, Sarah. How you holding up, honey?
I'm fine. Can we hear us on the radio?
Yeah, sure thing.
Don't think it's best.
No cell phone. No radio. Yeah, we're doing great. A minute ago, newsman wouldn't shut up.
They say where to go?
They said, Army's put up roadblocks on the highway. No getting into Travis County.
We need to get the hell out. Take 71.
71, that's where I'm headed.
Did they say how many are dead?
Probably a lot. They found this one family all mangled inside their
Tommy.
house. Right. I'm sorry.
Jesus Christ, how did this happen?
They got no clue. But we ain't the only town. First they were saying it's just the south. Now they're going on about the east coast, the west coast. Holy hell. That's Lewis's farm. I hope that son of a bitch made it out.
I'm sure he did.
Were we sick?
No, of course not.
How do you know?
They said it's just people in the city. We're good.
Didn't Jimmy work in the city?
That's right, he did. We're fine, trust me.
All right.
Let's see what they need.
Who do you think you're doing? Keep driving.
They got a kid, Joel.
So do we.
But we have room.
Keep driving, Tommy. You ain't seen what I seen. Someone else will come along.
Damn. Couldn't they have just walked to the fucking, like, here? Hello?
Bad. Everyone and their mother had the same damn idea.
We could just backtrack and...
What the fuck, man? Let's go!
Holy shit. Turn this around.
Oh my god.
Tommy! Tommy!
Holy shit! What the fuck just happened? What the fuck just happened? Did you see that?
Yes, I saw it.
God damn.
Turn here, turn here.
No.
Come on, people, move.
What are they running from?
Get us out of here.
I'm trying.
Oh no.
We can't stop here, Tommy.
I can't fucking drive through them,
Then
Joe!
back up then!
They're behind me, too!
There! Hold on! Go!
Oh. I did try a game this episode last night, first time last weekend. Oh. What flavor and did you enjoy it?
Daddy?
That's the bigger question.
Hey. Hey.
Get back, baby. Get back.
Okay. Dad?
I'm here, baby. I'm here. Come on, give me your hand. What is it?
My leg hurts.
How bad?
Pretty bad.
We're gonna need to run.
God. Keep us safe. Come on, baby. Now hold on tight.
Oh boy, here we go.
Daddy, I'm scared.
Keep your eyes closed, honey.
Oh my.
Keep running!
We're not going that way.
These people are on fire.
Don't look, Sarah. Keep looking at me, baby.
Over there!
We're gonna get out of this. I promise.
Crazy. I remember what flavor and not really. Those kinds of drinks are not my cup of tea. That's fair. Understandable. Wilhelm scream.
Get back! There's too many of them! This way! Through the alley! Go! He's dead! God damn it!
We're almost there. We're almost there, baby.
They're getting through the fence! Keep going! Find a way out of here! Come on!
Oh.
Move it! Get to the highway! Go! You got Sarah! I can outrun them!
Uncle Tommy?
I will meet you there! Hurry!
Oh.
Daddy, we can't leave him.
He's gonna be fine. We're almost there.
Don't want to make a license joke with all this crashing, but it might be ill-timed.
Closer.
Fair.
Dad?
It's okay, baby. We're safe. We're safe. Hey, we need help.
Stop!
Please. It's my daughter. I think her leg is broken.
Stop right there!
Okay. We're not sick.
Got a couple of civilians in the outer perimeter. Please advise.
Daddy, what about Uncle Tommy?
We're gonna get you to safety and go back around, okay?
Sir, there's a little girl. But... Yes, sir.
Somebody, we've just been through hell. Okay, we just need... Shit.
Crazy.
Please don't.
Tommy.
Oh no.
Sarah. Move your hands, baby. I know, baby, I know. God. Listen to me. I know this hurts, baby. You're gonna be okay, baby. Stay with me. I'm gonna pick you up. I know, baby. I know it hurts. Come on, baby. Please. I know, baby. I know. Sarah. Baby. Don't do this to me, baby. Don't do this to me, baby. Come on. No. No. No, no, no. Please. 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 Please don't. Please.
Child dead.
The
All right.
number of confirmed deaths has
Good game.
passed 200.
We did it.
The governor has called a state of emergency.
Hundreds and hundreds of bodies lining the streets. Panic spread worldwide after a leaked report from the World Health Organization showed that the latest vaccination tests have failed.
With the bureaucrats out of power, we can finally take the necessary steps.
Los Angeles is now the latest city to be placed under martial law. All residents are required to report to their designated quarantine. Riots have continued for a third consecutive day, and winter rations are at an all-time low.
A group calling themselves the Fireflies have claimed responsibility for both attacks.
Their public charter calls for the return of all branches of government.
Demonstrations broke out following the execution of 6 more alleged Fireflies.
You can still rise with us. Remember, when you're lost in the darkness, look for the light. Believe in the Fireflies.
"20 years later." God damn.
I'm coming.
How was your morning? Want one?
No, I don't want one.
Well, I have some interesting news for you.
Where were you, Tess?
West End District. Hey, we had a drop to make.
We had a drop to make.
Well, you wanted to be left alone, remember?
So I'll take one guess. The whole deal went south and the client made off with our pills. Is that about right?
Deal went off without a hitch. Enough ration cards to last us a couple of months, easy.
You want to explain this?
I was on my way back here, and I got jumped by these 2 assholes, all right? And yeah, they got a few good hits in, but... Look, I managed.
Give me that. Are these assholes still with us?
That's funny.
At least find out who they were.
Yeah, look, they were a couple of nobodies. They don't matter. What matters is that Robert fucking sent them.
Our Robert.
He knows that we're after him. He figures he's gonna get us first.
Son of a bitch, he's smart.
No. He's not smart enough. I know where he's hiding.
Like hell you do.
Old warehouse in Area 5. Can't say for how long, though.
Well, I'm ready now, yeah?
Oh, I can do now.
Uh-huh.
The checkpoint's still open.
Only got a few hours left until curfew.
Well, we better hurry up then.
I got served the damn papers this morning. I've been selected for outside work duty.
Oh, it's such crap. Soldiers are supposed to handle the outside.
I'll make sure to tell them that.
So how are y'all doing? Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's doing good. It's news to me. What, like the Sarah dying?
Attention. Citizens are required to carry a certain ID at all times. Compliance with all city personnel is mandatory.
Look at that. Ration line hasn't opened yet. Must be running low again. Hey, how much longer will we wait?
Go.
You leave me alone.
Down on the ground.
Okay, Jesus.
Then get down.
Do anything wrong. No.
Hands on your fucking head. Do it. All right, scan. It's clean. Clean. Get a live one.
No. I'm not infected.
Hold
it's
her
wrong.
down.
The scan's wrong.
Do it.
Please. No.
Eyes forward. All right. She's down. Shut up. Consider yourself lucky. What happens when you hide out in a condemned building? Call the cleanup crew.
Crazy.
Seems like more people are getting infected.
That just means more people are sneaking out.
I got us all new papers. They shouldn't give us any static up there. Just play it cool.
Tom's kid as old as I am. God damn.
You see your ID. Here you go. What's your business here? Got the day off. Visiting a friend. All right. Move on through. Thanks.
Oh.
Get out of here, go! Close it up! Fireflies! Fucking shoot them! They're running!
Joe, come on, let's get out of here. Joe, let's go. Come on.
L1 to sprint.
Clear the surrounding area immediately.
Looks like the coast is clear.
Attention. Checkpoint 5 is now closed until further notice.
Hmm.
So much for the easy route. Patch yourself up, all right? They're gonna close all the checkpoints. We're gonna have to go around the outside.
Round the outside. Round the outside.
Or we could just let Robert go.
Cute.
Hey, Tess, you see that shit?
I was there. Hey, how's the east tunnel looking?
It's clear. I just used it. No patrols. And where are you off to?
Gonna pay Robert a visit?
You too?
Who else is looking for him?
Marlene. She's been asking around, trying to find him.
Marlene? What do the Fireflies need with Robert?
You think she'd tell me?
Well, what did you tell her?
The truth. I got no idea where he's hiding.
Good man. Hey, you stay out of trouble, all right? Military's gonna be out in force soon.
Yeah, see you around.
Pissed off because I lost the unit and bummed out about Sarah. I thought girl survives until the end. Nope.
Marlene looking for Robert? What do you
Nope.
make of that?
I don't like it. We better find him before the
That's the main
Fireflies
character into NPCs. Sag. Trying to figure out what I want to draw. Chicken jockey.
This is us.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Shit's stirring up out there. How we looking over here?
It's been quiet. No signs of military or infected.
That's what I like to hear. Joel, give me a hand with this.
Y'all take it easy out there.
Let there be light. Oh, God, this place reeks. I need to watch what to throw away down here. Let's grab our gear. Our backpacks are still here from last time.
Yeah, not a lot of ammo.
We'll make your shots count. All right, Texas. Boost me up. You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Go on.
Got it.
Be careful.
When am I not?
That a trick question?
I just killed all the enemies and that ended the mission, but apparently it also means I failed the mission because I did not finish the parameters. Fun. You gotta restart it then, question mark. This is I showed like this right man some Beetlejuice a couple of years ago and he said that out of all the categories. That's cute. That's very cute.
Ain't been out here in a while.
It's like we're on a date.
Well, I am the romantic type.
You got your ways.
Post-con depression hitting hard this year.
Where's the ladder?
It's got to be around here somewhere.
I can only imagine. Oh. Oh, there's the ladder.
Got it.
Great, bring it over.
Funny Polish man called pizza cold water and Kingdoms Come Deliverance after Menti Breaky.
You must be thinking of someone else.
That's all relative.
This way.
What a combination. Hello, Emo Game. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, not gonna lie, I almost started crying when he said that. Put away. Ah! Achievement.
Down through here.
Ow.
You think Robert's still got our guns?
For his sake, he better.
Look, once we get our merchandise back, it should be easy to unload.
Well, speaking of merchandise, when's that next shipment due?
Hold up. Spores.
Where the hell are all these coming from? The place was clear last time.
They're coming out of something. Stay alert.
I'm gonna drop the artwork in the Discord real quick. I'll check it out in a hot second. Did somebody say s'mores? No, they said.
There's our culprit.
They said
Body's not
pause.
Better keep your eyes and ears open.
I should be able to fit through here. Shit.
You okay?
Yeah. Damn ceiling's falling apart. Be careful. This way. Easy. Jesus. Watch it, watch it.
Help me. My mask broke. Don't leave me to turn. Please.
What do you want to do?
Crazy.
Poor bastard.
So what is sleep when you have historical presence in? It's you guys and being addicted to a fucking game, man. Jesus Christ. You don't have to check it out now. Yeah, well...
You hear that? Shh.
Did you just choke out a fucking zombie? You sleep when you have games of Dr. Pepper or Monster.
Jesus.
Oh, look, a typical IT support office deserted. I get it. Technically, they're not zombies. They're infected. Ow. I'm just a big history nerd who likes when guns don't exist. Fair enough.
Some fresh air. That's the one thing I love about the outside. Fucking hate the smell of the city.
No, it's a realistic zombie game with Karens trying to turn zombies into vegans.
Hey, if they weren't expired, that'd be a good idea. Through here. Cover the entrance.
I got it.
That was the most dumbest idea I've ever fucking heard. Attempting to gentle parent the zombies. She's trying to, you know, do the... What the fuck is she doing?
Here, pass it to me.
It's a bit heavy.
I think I can handle it.
All right.
Man, no, shut up. Eat your broccoli. It's just parents.
Getting close.
Well, thanks for the balance, like, early 3/4 of the way through. Oh, there's something there. Can I not put it in my inventory? That's actually very, 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 very
Make sure there ain't
depressing.
any soldiers around.
It's clear. Come on.
Couldn't you have done that earlier?
Shut it.
Is this reload and lose your entire the rest? No, because I reloaded and it just filled me up to full.
Pick up that ammo. I'm sure we'll need it. Hey, little man. Make sure the coast is clear. No soldiers, none of Robert's men, yeah?
You know he's expecting us.
Well, that'll make it more interesting. Good to go. Come on.
Bro.
Hey, Tess, hey, Tess. Hey, pretty lady, how you doing today?
Not right now, Terrence.
No, it's good.
Not
I got the car.
now. You hear me?
Okay. You do that. Get all happy puppy.
Doggies.
If you ain't got ration cards, don't even waste my time. I'm not interested in bartering for bullets.
Hurry up. We're starving.
Keep your shirt on. Next batch coming right up.
Hey, don't even think about cutting in line.
Sorry, man. These dogs are all accounted for. Sold out in less than an hour. Try me next week.
You touch it, you buy it. Tess, it's been a while. You don't visit us anymore. Where do you think you're going?
Malik, sit back down.
Oh, sorry, Tess. Didn't realize you two were together. Go ahead.
Okay.
Who's that?
An old headache. Don't ask.
Hmm.
What do you want?
Just want to play some poker, man. Or blackjack.
The guy's been hoarding all sorts of shit in the factory.
Whoa, hold on.
Let's go. Oh, okay.
I'm looking for Robert. He come through here?
Half hour ago. He went back to the wharf. He's there now.
Oh.
Here we go.
Let us through.
You guys need to turn around and head back if you know what's good for you.
Our beef isn't with you. We just want Robert. You don't want to do this.
Turn the fuck around and leave now.
I'm not going anywhere without Robert.
Bitch, I will bash your skull unless you turn around and get your dumb ass out of here.
Fuck this.
Goddamn.
You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna fucking kill
I'll cover
you!
you. Get the angle on them.
Dead asshole!
Nice.
Nicely done, Texas.
You too. How the hell did he get all these guys?
If Robert's good at one thing, it's writing blank checks.
Give me fucking... What the fuck? Give me... Hello? Magazines, bullets, anything? Lame.
Shit, not going through here.
All right, come on.
There you go.
Rats. Oh, another shootout place.
Over here, Joel. More of Robert's guys.
Shit, I see him.
How do you know they're coming? 2 of our guys died trying to take Tess out. I guarantee that she and Joel are on their way here right now to get Robert.
Jesus. We shouldn't have taken this job.
Not our call.
Nice and quiet, Texas.
Let's spread out and make sure no one's creeping around in here.
Move up. Move up.
I meant to tell you.
Oh, shit.
I was down on Jordan Street, and all these soldiers showed up with a group of about 5 civs, all in handcuffs.
Let me guess.
You take one out, I'll take the other.
Yep. They lined them up against the wall, and bang, bang, bang. They just executed all of them.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I hear it's like...
The fuck? Hold on. I'll be back in a second. Don't worry, guys. I didn't go to the toilet. It was fucking... There was an ant crawling on me. Which was really fucking weird.
They're cracking down on them hard.
Got a cousin with him.
Seriously?
Yeah. Idiot thinks he's gonna save the world. Hope he's all right.
There's another one. Over there.
You and yeah. It's kind of weird. I don't know how it fucking crawled up on my fucking arm. Even then, I don't know how the fuck it got in. I mean, I know
Let's search
how
the
probably,
area.
but still weird.
Hey, we consolidated the crates in the south warehouse. Supplies are locked up.
Good. Let's do another once over and then head out. It's getting close to curfew.
What about Robert? Who's he holing up with tonight? Guy's too paranoid to stay here by himself.
Fuck if I know. We'll check in with the others and come up with something.
Okay.
It's very convenient that they're all facing one way and not the other.
What was that?
What is it?
Get him!
Tess? You wanna do something? Grab.
We should have brought more people.
They just slow us down.
Yeah, you're right.
Anyway,
Come on.
Shiv.
The docks are this way. Let's do this.
I don't know what triggered the guy to see us. Maybe like I stood up for like a hot second. I mean, I did stand up when I was What? Did no one hear that?
There's our boy. That cocky son of a bitch.
Let's go wrap this up.
Whoa, okay, I was gonna say. You fucking
Let's be
going
smart about
guns.
this. There's a lot of them.
Yeah, well, we lost our contacts in the north, lost our contacts in the south. Shit, I don't know who's left out there to sell us stuff. That's why we're taking shitty protection.
Fucking Robert. That rat better be good for it.
If he is, then what? I'm telling you, this zone's done for. We better think of an exit strategy.
You're insane. Going outside the wall is suicide.
Plenty of the other smugglers do it. What do you think's gonna happen here once supplies run out?
I'd still take my chances in here.
Uh-huh.
Shut him!
Shit. Oh. Uh-huh. Jesus Christ.
There you go.
Well, but I tried to go stealthy. Emphasis on tried. I'm so just wondering one of our ships. I thought we were done for, but that robot guy knew one of them. He managed to bribe them in return for letting us go. Guess he's good for something. That son of a bitch can talk. It did cost us a third of the cargo, and I can't shake the feeling that we've had. How the hell did they find us in that fog? Anyway, here's what we managed to bring in: 2 crates of clothes, 1 crate toilet paper, 2 crates of frozen meat, and 1 crate of liqueur.
This guy's wheeling and dealing with everyone in town.
How are we doing with this guy? I don't like how he orders us around. I don't like his stupid ponytail, and I sure as shit don't like that he hasn't paid us yet. Not to mention the people after him are some of the most dangerous in the city. What do you think's going on? is going to happen when they get wind of our involvement.
Nah, leave it to Robert to piss everyone off.
Frozen meat, what the fuck? Canada. They said it literally. It from Canada.
That office. Robert must have run in there. Let's go.
Hold on, let me heal.
Shit! Get back! Get the fuck back!
We just want to talk, Robert.
We got fucking nothing to talk about!
Put your gun down.
Go fuck yourself!
He's running.
Robert!
Joel, this way. Come on, he ran in here.
Bob. Bobbert.
We almost got him.
Come on!
Well, hello, Robert.
Tess. Joel. No hard feelings, right?
None at all.
All right.
God damn it!
We missed you.
Look, whatever it is you heard, it ain't true, okay? I just want to
The
say...
guns. You want to tell us where the guns are?
Yeah, sure, but it's complicated. All right? Look, all right, just hear me out on this. I got...
Fuck. Stop! Ugh.
Quit your squirming. You were saying?
I sold them.
Excuse me.
I didn't have much of a choice. I owed someone.
You owed us. I'd say you bet on the wrong horse.
I just need more time. Just, give me a week.
You know, I might have done that if you hadn't tried to fucking kill me.
Come on, it won't
Who
like
has
that.
our guns?
I can't. Just give me a couple days.
Who has our guns?
It's the Fireflies. I owed the Fireflies.
What?
Look, they're basically all dead. We could just go in there, finish them off. We get the guns. What do you say? Come on. Yeah, fuck those Fireflies. Just go get them.
That is a stupid idea.
Well,
Nice. She's taking a sneak up. She definitely took more than that.
Explain it to them. Look, let's go find a Firefly.
You won't have to look very far.
Marlene.
There you go. Queen Firefly.
Why are you here?
Business. You aren't looking so hot.
Where's Robert?
Dead.
I needed him alive.
The guns he gave you, they weren't his to sell. I want them back.
Doesn't work like that, Tess.
The hell it doesn't.
I paid for those guns. You want them back? You're gonna have to earn them.
How many cards are we talking about?
I don't give a damn about ration cards. I need something smuggled out of the city. You do that, I'll give you your guns back, and then some.
How do we know you got them? Well, I hear the military's been wiping you guys out.
You're right about that. I'll show you the weapons.
Search the area. Yes, sir.
I gotta move. What's it gonna be?
I want to see those guns.
Follow me.
Okay.
We gotta get out of here. Now. You want this deal? We gotta move. I know a way around this. Come on. Holy shit. Is that your people? What's left of them. Why do you think I'm turning to you guys? This way.
But we're doing parkour.
We've been quiet. Been planning on leaving the city, but they need a scapegoat. They've been trying to rile us up.
Looks like they did.
We're trying to defend ourselves. Joel, give me a hand with this.
Marlene, we gotta move. Also, Marlene taking a sweet ass time to get up the ladder. Listen, she is in a little bit of pain. She got shot, I'm pretty sure, so.
Hey, how you holding up?
I'll live.
I heard a bong. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, exactly. Listen, she's hurt. Oh, we're gonna have a shootout, are we?
Hold up. Soldiers. That's the way out. The door under the bridge.
No way.
Ain't a big fan of these odds.
We can sneak by them, even though I know that's not your style.
We'll see how it goes. Let's get moving.
We need to get to that door.
You picked the wrong day to screw with us. Go fuck yourself.
Oh, hello.
Good. Stay quiet.
I mean, that's the plan. I'm not, like, planning to, like, run.
Okay. Watch yourself.
Although I did accidentally run at the beginning, but that was an accident.
They're out in numbers today.
Cool. You know, this is like a completely different fucking gameplay from Sekiro.
It won't buy you anything to kill me, okay?
Genuinely surprised that guy couldn't hear me.
Not much further now.
Genuinely surprised the guy didn't even see the fucking, like, his friend over there. No one can hear the sound of struggles from 10 feet away, apparently, huh?
Колбас колбасит соло, колбасер по пояс голый.
Kitty Morel, welcome to the Slash Good Enough for Sheer Slav. I hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you for the follow, appreciate it. What is going on with... What the fuck is going on with fucking Streamlabs today? Like, hello?
Go on, inside.
Where are we going, Marlene?
This way. It's not far now.
You okay?
I'm running on fumes, but I'll make it.
It doesn't want to work, apparently. It's a little bit annoying, but we move.
The place is right up ahead.
Attention. Curfew is now in full effect. Anyone caught outside without proper authorization will be arrested and prosecuted.
The hell are we smuggling?
I'll show you.
Attention. Curfew is now in full effect. Anyone caught outside without proper authorization will be arrested and prosecuted.
Joel.
Joel, give me a hand with this.
Whoa. Come on now. Get on up.
Fuck away from her! Hey.
Sally!
Let her go.
You're recruiting kind of young, aren't you?
She's not one of mine.
Oh, shit. What happened?
Don't worry, this is fixable. I got his help.
The
I
child.
can't come with you.
Well, then I'm staying.
Ellie, we won't get another shot at this.
We're smuggling her?
There's a crew of Fireflies that'll meet you at the Capitol building.
That's not exactly close.
You're capable. You hand her off, come back, the weapons are yours. Double what Robert sold me.
Speaking of which, where are they?
Back in our camp.
We're not smuggling shit until I see them.
You'll follow me. You can verify the weapons. I can get patched up. But she's not crossing to that part of town. I want Joel to watch over her.
Whoa, I don't think that's the best
Ellie.
idea.
Him? How do you know them?
I was close with his brother Tommy. Said if I was ever in a jam, I could rely on him.
Was that before or after he left your little militia group?
He left you too. He was a good man.
Look, just take her to the North Tunnel and wait for me there.
Jesus Christ.
Just cargo, Joel.
No more talking. You'll be fine. Now go with him.
Don't take long. And you, stay close. Let's go.
Okay. I thought the subtitle said arrested and executed for a second. Close enough in this fucking day and age. Oh wait, that is Elias.
Well, I heard all the shooting, but what happened?
Fireflies. Same thing's gonna happen to us if we don't get off the street.
You're the pro. I'm just following you.
It's just like me for real, a lesbian.
Harboring or aiding wanted criminals is punishable by death. Do not place yourself at risk. Report any suspicious activity immediately.
Down here.
Hello, child. Follow me, please. Thank you.
Harboring or aiding
Keep up.
wanted criminals is punishable by death. Do not place yourself at risk. Report any suspicious activity immediately.
Where are we going?
Up there. That'll get us to the North Tunnel.
How are we supposed to reach that?
Just give me a minute.
Don't worry, Ellie. I'm guessing this is the way, right? No? Is that the way? Over there? No. Oh. Goofy. Goofy. No? What? Am I? Okay, there you go. What the fuck? That was really weird. No, just a coded lesbian. A little bit acoustic.
This tunnel, you use it to smuggle things?
Yep.
Like illegal things?
Sometimes.
You ever smuggle a kid before?
No, that's a first. What's the deal with you and Marlene anyways?
I don't know. She's my friend, I guess.
Your friend, huh? You're friends with the leader of the Fireflies. What are you, like, 12?
She knew my mom, and she's been looking after me. And I'm 14. Not that that has anything to do with anything.
So where are your parents?
Or anyone's parents. They've been gone a long, long time.
So instead of just staying in school, you decide to run off and join the Fireflies, is that it?
Look, I'm not supposed to tell you why you're smuggling me, if that's what you're getting at.
You wanna know the best thing about my job? I don't gotta know why. To be honest with you, I give two shits what you're up to.
Well, great.
Good.
Good conversation, thank you.
Is it?
What are you doing?
Killing time.
Well, what am I supposed to do?
I am sure you will figure that out.
Your watch is broken. You mumble in your sleep.
Thanks, man.
I hate bad dreams.
Yeah, me too.
I steal too much? Not IRL, I assume. Yeah, I hope not in real life. That's an admission of guilt.
You know, I've never been this close to the outside. Look how dark it is. Can't be any worse out there. Can it?
What on earth do the Fireflies want with you?
Hey. Sorry it took so long. Soldiers fucking everywhere.
How's Marlene?
She'll make it. I saw the merchandise. It's a lot. Wanna do this?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, we're going now? We're going now?
Think it's a bit strange that they're having us do their smuggling?
Marlene wanted to do it herself. We weren't their first choice. Or the second, for that matter. She's lost a lot of men. Beggars can't be choosers.
Yeah, let's just hope there's someone alive to pay us.
Someone will be around.
Alright, get on the LA.
Shit. Damn thing.
Oh.
Damn thing.
There you go.
Who's waiting for us at the drop-off?
She said there's some fireflies that have traveled all the way from another city. Girl must be important. What is the deal with you? You some bigwig's daughter or something?
Something like that. How long is this all gonna take?
If everything goes as planned, we should get you to them in a few hours. Ellie, once we get out there, I need you to follow our lead and stay close.
Yeah, of course.
So excited for the second season of The Last of Us. I haven't watched the series yet.
Coast is clear.
I do at some point.
Now hold up. There's a patrol up ahead. All right. We're good. Come on up. Come on, kid.
I have dad.
Watch your step.
Same.
This rain ain't gonna do us any good.
Holy shit. I'm actually outside.
It's good about to worry about my dad watching the second season, considering how much gay it's gonna get. Yeah. Don't worry, there might be a very heterosexual sex scene.
Move.
Turn around. On your
Unnecessary.
You scan him, I'll call it in.
Okay. Put your hands on your head.
This is Ramirez at Sector 12, requesting pickup for 3 stragglers. Understood.
Look the other way. We can make this worth your while.
Shut up. Tired of this shit.
Mm-hmm.
What's the ETA?
Couple minutes.
Jesus Christ. Alright.
Oh, fuck. I thought we were just gonna hold him up or something.
Oh, shit. Look.
Jesus Christ. Marlene set us up? Why the hell are we smuggling an infected girl?
I'm not infected.
No? Was this lying?
I can explain.
You better explain fast.
Look at this.
I don't care how you got infected.
It's 3 weeks old.
No, everyone turns within 2 days, so you stop bullshitting.
It's 3 weeks. I swear. Why would she set you up?
I ain't buying it. Oh, shit. Tess, run. Run!
Go! Go! Move!
Holy shit!
I got 2 dead uniforms. I repeat, I got Follow me. Quickly.
Oh.
When I give you the signal,
Fire Tiger, welcome back to Babushka's Yacht. Welcome back to Babushka's Yacht. You're still my chance to subscribe. Shut up, enjoy. Thank you very much for the tier 3 resub. Appreciate it. Big hype in the chat. Means a hell of a lot. And me? Little old me? How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing good. Myria. Okay. Why are you doing that for, huh? There you go. There we go.
No, run. Got it.
now, run.
Good, good. I'm glad. Glad to hear.
Gonna be another sprint. You ready?
Sure. Yeah.
Can you guys like wait up?
Soldiers, right there.
I see him, I see him.
They must have gotten through. Check the trenches.
Just stay back.
I don't see anything down there. Are we sure they came this way?
Unless we're told otherwise, we just keep scanning.
Stay down, don't let him see you.
Come on, kid. Follow Joel.
Okay.
Eddie. You see anything?
Clear back here. How's it look up ahead?
So far, so good.
Whoa! Get him! Don't lose sight of him.
The fuck am I, like, huh?
I don't see him. You got visuals? Negative. Search the perimeter.
It's a little bit difficult, I'm not gonna lie.
I hear him up ahead.
It's gotta be those fucking Fireflies retaliating. We'll be done with them soon enough.
Mother's leftover pizza tastes so good. Good question.
Fuck! Let the clickers get him.
Hold up.
Shit, stay
Go, go.
It's because it's pizza. Pizza's always good. No matter the time, no matter the... No matter the time, no matter the place, pizza's always good.
Down there.
Come on, Ellie.
During the con, I went to... I had some pretty good personalized pizzas. It was expensive as shit, though. Was it at the con itself? If so, then yeah.
Go around.
Have a look.
It's too many, Tess.
Oh, man.
Those motherfuckers expensive.
Oh, shit. They're in here with us. See if you can distract them.
All right.
So it was $50 just for an autograph.
Some more lights.
I'm guessing the autograph is a pizza, right? Or as in like an autograph, like an actual autograph. But obviously that's just an autograph anyway as well. The way they make pizza though increases the shelf life, so it's good even after a while. And most ingredients topics can survive and maintain flavors for a day or two with proper storing. Really depends on the topic though. Topping, I'm guessing. Some meat gets dried real fast, it's not tasty the next day. Meanwhile, so vegetables make it. Yeah.
Up there.
They got me. Okay?
No, like just okay, yeah. Cons. I love cons. Probably one of the reasons why I don't actually go. Like the only like if I ever want to like go see a celebrity or something, I just look at them and I'm like, oh my god, it's them, and that's it. I don't even like fucking ask. Fucking and it's the autographs are so much, man. Unless it's like a celebrity that I really would love an autograph from. Something along the lines of like Mary Elizabeth Winstead. Yeah, but I enjoy the chance to get to talk to them. I guess that's fair.
Are they gonna follow us down here?
We ain't sticking around to find out.
Stay low. Keep quiet.
That was too damn close, Tess.
Even if I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna say.
Tess, you got any idea which way?
Looks so different.
Yeah. Let's see where this leads.
I think for me, like, first of all, depending on what celebrity it is, I don't want to stand in line for like fucking 50 years. If it's like a bigger celebrity, I'm not gonna do that. It's talking to them. I don't really. It's not like I need to immediately just say something to them. And also just the prices of like autograph and a picture or something with an autograph as well. Some require you to actually pay for a fucking picture, like to take a picture of them, which is crazy. Listen, get your money up. But
Yeah, this looks right. Stay close.
At least we're out of the rain.
How's it look?
Think we can squeeze through here.
Charlie Squad, report.
Shit. I got more soldiers.
Target's still on the loose, sir. Break off pursuit and report back to Sector 11.
I don't think they see us.
Acknowledge. Get to your vehicle.
Stay in the shadows.
I understand the hyper meeting a celebrity. kind of similar, but also at the same time. What's I gonna say? Like meeting is like someone that like you maybe like you listen to and stuff when you never get the real chance to, or like watch or whatever. Kind of crazy. Kind of crazy interacting with them. But like at cons is just yeah. To be fair, I learned that the photo ops don't work shit. You wait like 2 hours in a line for a 5-second interaction that you spent $100 for. Yeah, exactly. It's not worth it. It really isn't. At that point as well, it goes to the point where I kind of just don't want to waste a guy's time.
Are we safe?
No, they're still around. Look, take a moment to catch your breath. Joel, see if there's anything we can use in here.
Sure thing, boss.
Cool. So I got medals from Serbia walked towards me on the street and I recognized her, so you see me. It's not like she's saying that's it. My friend lost his mind. Oh my god, you think that's was I never understood his reaction. It's like to be honest, some celebrities want to like be treated like normal people. Like I'm gonna give a perfect example for me. Baby No Money. Baby No Money was like the craziest like celebrity kind of random meetup that I had. I was just walking around in Birmingham and then I just randomly stumbled upon him and I was like, holy shit. That's crazy. And then obviously they got me like an entry for free to see their concert on the day, which is great. Like sometimes you're allowed to lose your cool. It's fine. It's not like it's not the like end of the world. However, like other people have different reactions to like different things. Like if like Baby No Money was a guy I fucking listened to his music like a lot, and I was like, holy shit, that's crazy, because you don't usually see them. You're not people that you would usually see, and then like to like put even like it's kind of like treating them like royalty at this point, but like. Also, like I said, they want to be treated like normal human beings. Some, at least. Some have egos like crazy, however. But yeah, it's a normal reaction to like freak out. It's also a normal reaction to not freak out, but it depends on the person. You're kind of like, at this point, I don't like if I'm seeing like a celebrity or something, I'm like, holy shit. That's them right there. Holy fuck. Yeah. Especially at cons. But yeah, at cons it's just a kind of like a rip-off to see them. Baby No Money, you mean BB No? Sorry, my fault.
Tess, up through here through this pipe. I think we can make it through here.
Stay very close.
It took me 20 minutes to say hi to you. Well, there you go. Here's the thing. Oh, hello. We're on deep water here.
Whoa. Jesus.
Turning to the wall.
Yeah, like if you ever see me, just treat me like a normal fucking person. I'm not anyone like crazy. Like, oh my god, it's Olaf! Wow, I watch him on Twitch. Just treat me like a normal person. I'm not like anyone like in need of like a extra special reaction. I've never been at cons. Cons are cons. They are like you literally like at conventions you have like fucking like a huge lineup of like various like voice actors from like childhood, yada yada yada. Artists, and they're all lined up and like they all got like specific timings as well. I mean, yeah, it's hard to explain feelings at cons. Cons, here's the thing. Cons are great for the pure reason that... What the fuck is going on there? Cons are weird because, like, at conventions, like, you have a lot going on. You have so many, like, things you want to do. Cons are great. I love them. However, they're obviously like a way to obviously like see celebrities that you're like kind of fan of as well. But probably desensitized because a lot of celebrities that come from Serbia are just people I know. Like one Serbia's biggest celebrity is Novak Djokovic, and I just know him. We're not friends, but we drank together and talk like normal people. So I never had this feeling of alienation. Yeah. I think like if it comes to it, it's just like knowing someone and then yeah. Like for example, like people would consider like I don't fucking know. People would consider like Daniel Rustage or like Stupendium technically because they are internet celebrities. Do I go crazy when I see them? No, because they're just my friends. They're just my pals. They're my buddies. Oof. Well, this past weekend, my reaction to seeing people I know on, from the internet is just, yeah, I get that. My reaction is I just don't say anything because I don't know what else to say, really. Strawberry is superstar. Strawberry, yeah, especially Strawberry, let me tell you. I freak out when I see Strawberry. I'm like, holy shit, is that the Strawberry?
They're gone.
Look, what was the plan? Let's say that we deliver you to the Fireflies. What then?
Marlene, she said that they have their own little quarantine zone with doctors there still trying to find a cure.
Yeah, we've heard that before, huh, Tess?
And that whatever happened to me is the key to finding a vaccine.
Oh, Jesus.
It's what she said.
Oh, I'm sure she did.
Hey, fuck you, man. I didn't ask for this.
Me neither. Tess, what the hell are we doing here?
What if it's true?
I can't...
What if, Joel? I mean, we've come this far. Let's just finish it.
Do I need to remind you what is out there?
I get it. This way. If we cut through downtown, we can hit the Capitol building by sunrise.
We hope.
Supplements let you learn new skills. Oh, that's so much. What the fuck? No, actors that never leave my home. So every time I do see someone I know, like regular in a hotel or ex-worker, it's just for me. This would be for someone to see a famous person. I guess. Maybe it's because you're not attached to the media as much. A lot of people are.
So what happened here?
They bombed the hell out of the surrounding areas to the quarantine zones, hoping to kill as much of the infected as possible. It worked.
For a second, I thought the game was going to crash. It's a piece of paper. Okay. That's who I don't follow media at all. Only social apps I use is Discord and YouTube. Yeah, well then there you go.
What the hell was that?
Tess, you hear that?
Yeah. Sounded pretty far away, though.
Are we safe?
For now. Come on.
I mean, here's my thing. I feel like if you would maybe meet like a voice actor or voice actress from like an anime that you watch, maybe then you have been like, holy shit, that's them. What's a 6 out of a strong bond attachment to whatever medias I watch? Yeah, there you go.
Over here.
Well, I'm actually... Are we actually meant to be here? What am I looking at? I don't know what I'm looking at. Let's go. So no, it's them. And that's it. Maybe mostly if you haven't like experienced it yet fully, then maybe you'll experience it. But maybe, yeah. I mean, it's like I said, it varies from person to person. Some people are just
anything over there? Keep looking.
cool.
Do anything?
You just stay close to her for now.
Dodger, Dodger.
Roger, Dodger.
Hey, Tess.
Coming.
I'm not completely what I want to see, so I've been on concerts and shouting and took pictures with everyone, but like, and somehow some of them, most of them, and saw them in the lobby, and I was like, oh, cool, and after that, fair enough.
This has been ripped apart. Body's pretty fresh.
Is that bad?
It might be. Let's not stick around.
Looks like these guys died waiting for backup. God damn it. Clicker.
Jeez. What's wrong with his face?
That's what years of infection will do to you.
So what? Are they blind?
Sort of. They see using sound.
Like that? Like that. You're welcome. That's how I spot it.
Nice. I think main factor is that in Sober Celebrities are too down to earth and I'm just part of the lie, it's not I hang out. Many of them like it's nothing. One of the famous actors living 2 minutes away from my uncle, so I would see him every time. So oh god, unless he's on the tour or something, he wouldn't let me in the house. So being celebs are too chill. Yeah. Yeah, it genuinely just depends on I guess at this point as well, just how you grew up then. Rats.
Whole building feels like it's about to fall apart. Watch your head.
Everything is totally cool.
Give me a hand with this.
You alright?
It's nothing.
Let's search for supplies.
Shit. Oh, that was intense.
Mm-hmm.
Here, patch yourself up.
Appreciate it.
Whoa. Thank you, lady. Just got a sort of a chain reaction of explosions around gas station now to restart the machine. I'm really glad you're talking about video games. Listen, I think
Right.
let's just always assume that when people say statements like that, they're playing a video game. 20 supplements, holy shit. Holy. Nothing else, the gas station should be that giveaway, as you would never catch me alive near one. It's America every time you see me outside the hotel in the first place.
Oh boy.
Up there. Look.
Yeesh.
Just see if there's a way through.
It's clear. Come on, Ellie.
All right, kid, you're up.
Come on. You got it. Okay. Come on, big guy. Give me your hand. Let's go. Fuckers.
Shit. Go.
That's our way out. Over the scaffolding.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That's our way out. Over the scaffolding.
Over through here.
I think that's it. Ellie, you okay?
Other than shitting my pants, I'm fine.
There you go, ladies.
All right. Come on.
There we go.
This is crazy. Just don't look down.
Are you serious? 10-year-old platforms, explosive
Jesus.
What could possibly go wrong?
Come on, Ellie.
Yeah. Don't look down. Just don't look down.
You're okay. We got a way through.
No, the hotel exactly one time this year so far, and only because the big storm in the UK messed up the power, so we had no electricity, and I went to have cooked breakfast on the third day in the city, and used the opportunity to charge my phone. Fair enough.
runners.
I'll go check it out. Stay with the girl.
Revolver? Is that a clicker or is that just a normal zombie or infected or whatever the fuck? Need a shiv. Okay. Great.
All right, come on down.
Okay, so I just need the shivs.
Let's just get out of here.
And here I thought, like, why are people so afraid of clickers? It's because you can't kill them with, you can only kill them with a shiv. Just saying quick hi, I'm at a store right now, and there's a Deep Rock Galactic board game. Oh, hello Vespa, hope you're doing well. Deep Rock Galactic board game. Very interesting. My game just goes, I'm gonna go cry in the corner now. Maybe it's telling you to stop. Maybe that's what it's telling you. So there was a concert last night, it was insane, it's on Ninja Sex Party. Oh yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you had fun.
Tess, go.
All right, hold on. Move this over. Give me a hand, Ellie. Yeah. That should do it.
Just noticed how long I had the game open for. Yeah, that's probably why. Listen, games are not meant to be running for too long, bro.
Doing all right?
That's on my life, and Liz was in there with me. I'm going to go, hell yeah.
Found this for you.
Thanks.
Thanks. I'm glad you enjoyed your time at the NSP concert. NSP concert. How long is too long, in your opinion?
Down we go.
Yeah, let's get to it. Get through here. Watch your back.
Listen, anything... It's a good question. Anything like longer than I'd say like 10 or so hours, then your computer and you're like... the game wouldn't be freaking out in itself. But like... your computer will be also like being like, hey, relax, chill. Even if it's like not an intensive game or whatever. I don't know where to put the board game in the Discord. Oh, no, I have to tab out of the game. Guys, stop making me fucking tab out of the game. I swear to God. Yeah, brother, turn off the game and just let it fucking rest. Let your computer rest. Hello? Put it in... I don't know, just put it in any channel, to be honest. Anyone, you can put it in general chat, it'll be fine. It's not the end of the world. It was 1 hour away. Oh no! Looks like you have to stop playing the game for now. Just run on Twitter to see people are making fun of the gay ship out between Steve and Jason Momoa's character from...
I was thinking, after we get back, we can take it easy for a little while.
I am
Steve. Take it easy.
Hey, you're the one always going on about laying low.
And you always brush me off.
Oh, there's a clicker.
I believe it when I see it.
Or just go back to it, but I am legit scared what I'll do if I see... Yeah, then just fucking relax your brain. Don't turn on the game until you're fully rested. And there you go.
Through here.
Never mind, then I think I would ship 2 characters played by Jason Momoa or Jack Black. It happens. You'd be surprised about things. Guess I'll just open Baldur's Gate 3 instead. How about you just let the computer rest? How does that sound? How about you let the computer just fucking relax?
Look at his sleeve. Firefly.
Yep. These guys aren't doing well in or out of the city.
Well, so I have an option between a Molotov cocktail and a... I'll make another Molotov cocktail.
Let's hope there's someone alive to meet us at the drop-off.
It's gonna be fine.
Meet up with second Firefly team at Capitol Building, Capitol Gold Dome. Girl, 5'3", 14 years old, red hair.
They're from the quarantine zone.
See? They're not our guys.
No, I did not empty my saving account to get my new laptop, only to have it collect dust. Brother! I'm not gonna get angry. I'm not gonna get fucking angry at you. You know, because I know that's what you want. If you turn it off for like 8 hours, even 9 hours, you're letting it rest. You cannot let a fucking computer be left on for a long time, because everything just starts going haywire with the computer. You're damaging the computer that way. I hope you know that. You emptied your savings account. Yes, that is correct. However, the more you fucking leave it on, the quicker it's gonna die. And then, right, listen to this. It's gonna die quicker. It's just, saving account? If I don't sleep 8 hours, then my laptop does not get 8 hours of rest.
Over there, Sam.
Shit. God, we're almost out. Okay, Joel, you take point. I'll watch the rear. Ellie, no matter what, you stay right on his heels. Sure. You stay sharp.
I got it.
pretty proud of that, to be honest. Pretty proud of that. Derek at the bookstore is letting you else use his safe when you close tonight. Put my stuff in there. Derek at the books. 343.78. Pug. Alright, let's find the bookstore. Cool. Sorry, I'm back. Then it took so much longer than I was expected to make. That's okay. Welcome back. To be honest, I thought you were napping, so... Rude but fair. Hey, listen.
Alright.
It's true though. Me when someone asks me what's the name of the President of Canada. What was it again? $343.78. $343.78. Was it 343.78? Oh. Boo. Hey, listen, that was a good joke. Pretty proud of that.
Alright, come
on. Ugh.
Come on.
I need to get back to the fucking, like... I need to get back to the, like, 4 hours of streaming time. Because I swear to God, like, I'm just like... Every time I look, I'm just like... It just feels so slow.
Everyone okay?
Yes. Let's move.
Me at work, for real, for real, for
You guys are
real,
pretty
for real.
good at this stuff.
I mean, this is my work, so...
It's called luck. And it is gonna run out.
Yeah, Joel.
So where we going, Tess?
Capitol building's in this direction.
Yeah, hold on, be right back. I was not expecting this. Me trying to get to a normal life after going to a 4-day convention and having the most fun I've had ever at a convention before. Yeah. It's fucking me after the fucking few-week holiday. Fucking Cummins? Uh-huh.
All right.
Those look more like the ones that bit me. They still have their
Here
faces.
we go.
They're recently infected. Those soldiers must have just turned.
Which means there's more in the area. We gotta go.
I'm guessing this is where we need to go. No, it's not. They kept killing me. Should be more careful.
Climb on up.
Good heavens, bro's head did get squished. Just a little bit. Since the CDC has produced this pamphlet on cordyceps brain infection to increase awareness and prevention of infection. Cordyceps mushroom is a parasitic fungi that can take over a host's mind and alter its behavior. Until recently, has only affected insects and some arthropods. Species emerged with the ability to target human hosts. Two known ways to contract CBI are breathing the spores emitted by the cordyceps, contact with bodily fluids of a person infected with CBI, usually being incubation. After initial infection, the parasite travels to the host brain for a period of 1 to 2 days. The incubation concludes when the cordyceps has taken over all major bodily functions of the host. Stage 1 CBI patients display erratic and violent behavior, lashing out at anyone around them. Eventually, the fungus pushes through the host's tissue to allow for the release of airborne spores. Treatment: there's no vaccine for CBI, nor any known treatment to lengthen the incubation period. CBI can be diagnosed using a blood or microscopic imaging test, usually administered against the ear. Within minutes of contraction, the results of this test will come out positive. Among others, my very distant ancestors were fucking brutal, apparently. What, in the ages before? Probably. A lot of the countries were.
Joel, over here. We'll cut through this building.
Yeah, that worked out great last time. Sorry, I'm just saying.
What? I don't hear anything.
Okay, double time.
They're coming.
I know.
Hey, that's good. Let's keep going.
Crazy.
You got something on your shoe. Gross.
Humans are just kind of brutal. They were.
Okay.
Still are.
How do we get out of this place?
Let's find out.
This looks like a good spot.
So Marlene thinks you're immune?
Well, that's what she believes.
Well, how were you bitten? I mean, you must have been somewhere you shouldn't to find an infected in the zone.
Yeah, I'd sneak out. I was in this military boarding school.
You'd sneak out?
You know, explore the city. I was in the mall when I ran into infected.
That place is completely off limits. How the hell did you get in there?
I had my ways. Anyways, one of those, what you guys call runners, bit me, and that was that.
I see. Were you with Marlene when you were bitten?
No. I went to her for help afterwards.
Knowing her, I'm surprised she didn't shoot you.
She almost did. Hope she's all right.
I told you. She's gonna be fine.
Bro just twisted a fucking knob and was like, "Yep, that's gonna do it."
Yeah. That looks good.
I would have loved to have known that, like, before. Mm-hmm. Can build another shiv. Fine with that. And the more shivs, the better, I guess.
Ow, shit! Sorry, that was me.
Tess.
Sorry.
Come on, stay close to me.
Shit.
What is this place?
It's an old museum. Some of these things are hundreds of years old.
Really?
They can't hurt you. Well, they can't hurt you. Huh? What? Caesar. Oh, yeah. Building extra shivs won't hurt. Especially when it comes to fucking clickers and stuff. Not actually fucking them, but like unaliving them.
Alright, watch your head.
Hurry, go, go, go! I'm alive. I'll make my way around.
Look, they're here!
Tess?
Run! Run!
Great.
Tess.
For this exact reason, that's why we have the shiv. Why they kind of fake though? I'm glad I'm not the one that said it. I'm gonna go to sleep and hope for the best about the game. If you don't see me anymore, it's probably because I lost all the progress and lost my mind. Have a good night, sleep well, rest well, and I'll see you whenever I see you next. And turn off your computer.
Tess. Tess. Shit.
Tess. Oh, you're not in there. Damn. Well, there's a bit unhinged. I mean that in a good way. Oh, they are. I know. Do I have enough to... I don't... Shit. But yeah, they are kind of, you know... They're kind of built. Shut up. Not gonna happen, turning off my laptop. I mean, I'll get some rest though. Whatever. No, kind of.
Guys, get in here! The girl!
Guy's been locked up.
It's too damn close.
Okay. It's been long enough since I've been in seen this game that I don't remember anything but the major story beats. No, I don't. I know like everything major in this game. I just don't know anything else in between. I'm very much same in this situation. When you were seeing The Last of Us Part 2, I never did play or watch this one. Fair enough. Literally. I mean, I haven't seen. I've seen bits from The Last of Us 2 that were against my will. So, yeah. Also, hi Ryan. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Hi Ray.
This way. This will get us to the roof.
Are you playing on the controller? Yeah. They literally told me to play on a controller. If you're gonna say is that why your aim is bad? Yes, it is. Was one of the bits the boat scene? I don't know if it's the boat scene, but one of the bits is the sex.
Gotta find a way across.
The very much unnecessary sex. Nice building. You mean that thing over there? Brother.
You stand back.
Now watch your step as you're going out, because it's going to be a little...
Yeah, I mean, missus, not saying that you need it, but you know. Oddly enough, I don't know if it exists in this game. Although I could be wrong. I'll check after this cutscene.
So is that
Yeah, that's the
everything
post
you
scene.
hoped for?
I think they're saying you need it. Okay.
Jury's still out. But man, you can't deny that view.
Come on, this way. Hey, let's pick it up.
I think that the sway, if the aim assist is
We're
on,
almost done. Stay focused.
I think it's because the sway is fucking crazy in this game as well. Like, you can't hold still. He fucking goes from left to right like crazy. Damn! They climbed that ladder so fucking long that it's daytime.
Keep moving, kid.
Let's see. Will be gameplay, right? System. Enable LED device effects. Oh, as in like, okay. Accessibility. I think I'll toggle this. Also toggle this. I don't have aim assist on. Auto target. No, I'm not gonna aim bot. Reorients the camera in the direction of your movement. Select horizontal to limit. No. Lock on strength. I'll give it 9. Arc throw, yes. Interesting. There's a lot of like accessibility options in this game, which is good. I think didn't this game win? Oh, fucking, I remember because no, I got like super pissed off because pissed off because it was Last of Us Part 2. Last of Us. Oh, whatever. Cannot be fucked. You did turn on lock on aim. Oh, yeah. There was something called aim assist specifically. If there is, I don't fucking see it. There's the aim assist. It is on. Yeah, it's just the sway is fucking crazy. A little bit crazy. Patrol the rendezvous area, ensure no military presence before moving the girl to the next safe house. Make sure the girl is well fed and in good health. Her safety is the utmost important.
Look at this.
There's a Firefly logo on his arm. What if we get there and they're all dead?
They won't be.
But how do you know?
I just do. Look, it's gonna be fine.
Okay.
Apparently, okay.
Has to be.
Up and over. There we go. Home stretch, Tess.
Don't worry, guys. We'll finish this game in no time. We're nearly there.
Just so it's out there, I can't swim.
Look, it looks like it's shallow on the right side. Follow me.
I'm glad Marlene hired you guys.
What do you mean?
I know you guys are getting paid for this, but trying to say thanks.
Yeah, sure thing.
How the fuck would he see this? That's crazy. Shit's in, like, deep water, hello? I'm fucking waddling.
No. No, no, no.
What happens now?
What are you doing, Tess?
Oh, God. Maybe they had a map or something to tell us where they were going.
How far are we gonna take
As
this?
far as it needs to go. Where was this lab of theirs?
Oh, she never said. She only mentioned that it was someplace out west.
What are we doing here? This is not us.
What do you know about us? About me?
I know that you are smarter than this.
Really? Guess what? We're shitty people, Joel. It's been that way for a long time.
No, we are survivors.
This is our chance.
It is over, Tess! Now, we tried. Let's just go home.
I'm not going anywhere. This is my last stop.
What?
Our luck had to run out sooner or later.
Oh, did she get bitten?
Don't touch me.
Holy shit. She's infected.
Joel,
Let me see.
I didn't mean for this.
Show it to me.
Oh, shit.
Oh, Christ.
Oops, right? Give me your arm. This was 3 weeks. I was bitten an hour ago, and it's already worse. This is fucking real, Joel. You've got to get this girl to Tommy's. He used to run with this crew. He'll know where to go.
No. That was your crusade. I am not doing that.
Yes, you are. Look. There's enough here that you have to feel some sort of obligation to me, so you get her to Tommy's. They're here.
Damn it.
I can buy you some time, but you have to run.
You want us to just leave you here?
Yes.
There's no way that...
I will not turn into one of those things. Come on. Make this easy for me.
I can find...
No, just go! Just fucking go.
Ellie,
I'm sorry. I didn't mean for this.
get a move on.
We know you're in there. Drop your weapons and come out with your hands up.
What the fuck? I can't believe we did that.
Stop.
We just left her to die.
Stop. You stay close to me. We have to move.
Oh, man.
Rip Tess.
We'll go upstairs. Probably get up from there. Just keep pushing forward.
It's a little bit sad.
Target neutralized. She took out 2 of my men. Copy that.
Oh my god.
You, take out the door. You, with me.
Yes, sir.
Not a happy game, no.
We should move.
I knew it was like, I know it's like a somewhat depressing game. Like, I wasn't expecting that to happen. Oh. Conveniently placed, huh? Very conveniently placed. Almost
Joel.
too conveniently placed.
Up ahead.
Firefly! Hit him down! Got him! Cover the exits!
Keep your head down.
Cover me! I'm moving up!
Yeah, there's like, the aim assist is non-existent.
Where'd you go?
All right, come on, Ellie.
Right behind you.
I think, like, I'm not even kidding. In these encounters, I genuinely might as well just fucking move to mouse and keyboard.
Stay with me, come on.
The fuck was
What are we
that?
doing? Joel, how are we gonna get out of here?
We're gonna go through that hall. Stay down, I don't know how many more there are.
Cover me, I'm moving up. Get him!
Okay, there we go. You know what? It's a little bit better in that sense.
Joel, here's the exit.
I see it.
Give me ammo.
There's stairs over there.
Stay low.
Nothing around here? No. Crafting speed, healing speed. No, I'm probably gonna increase my maximum health as much as I can, more than anything.
Following us.
Damn it.
There's a soldier over there.
Hold your position and wait for reinforcements. Copy that.
How the hell are you breathing in this stuff?
I wasn't lying to you.
You spot him? No, the place is empty. I didn't see anything.
Search the area. Let's find them and get the hell out of here before he clicks.
Where'd you go?
Hey, I can't swim.
I can swim.
We'll figure something out.
Happy birthday, Raven. I can swim. Why am I diving underwater? Don't think gas masks are supposed to be. No, I don't think so as well. Hmm. Oh. Hello, my child. Don't run away from me. You came in under my legs. So it's time for cuddles. Fuck you. Everyone say hello. My little dipshit son. My cat's been so clingy since I got back from staying at my dad's house for 4 nights. No, is it time? Is it time? Is it time? No, I got you in the headlock. You ain't leaving. Okay. Okay. You can go. Can't imagine what my cat will be like after I get back from NPC in July. We'll see. Maybe he wouldn't mind. I mean,
I'm fine. Hey, look, still works.
your contact is a dude named Frank. He's the guy on the outside I've been trading with. He wants into Boston QZ. Meet him in the Park Street exit subway station right by the Capitol building. Attach his visa and QZ papers. Be careful down there. Some of the other guys are reporting clickers and suckers in the area. Where the hell is this guy? Waiting here for over 2 hours, sweating bullets. I keep thinking I'm seeing something move in the shadows. Feel like a stalker's going to jump out. A stalker?
You're not gonna leave me here, right?
Just... There's a ladder. Maybe we can use that.
Alright, it looks like I do have to go there. You know what? Before we go to the next section, let's just save it here. Let's just save it here and finish it here for today. Let's just end it there. It's been great. It's been fun. The game is a game, that's for sure. I'll tell you that. I'll definitely tell you that for free. The game is definitely a game. The game be gaming. The game do indeed be gaming, as they say. Sure, it's like what's it called? So far there's been like intense emotions and stuff, but like nothing too crazy right now, I'm not gonna lie. Literally nothing crazy. Anyway, we are gonna finish the stream here. I am a little bit tired, but not too tired. I'm still tired. Anyway. Tomorrow is Saturday, right? Hey. Cats. Am I right, guys? Yeah, tomorrow's Saturday, so I think I'm gonna see if Stoops and Oxy are available. We'll see, so that we can do some what's it called, Deep Rock Galactic. If they aren't available, I mean, Oxy is available, that's what I know. They said they can do the evening. Stoops has not replied, so I'm kind of just like wondering if they'll be busy or not. But we'll see. Anyway. On that note, however, I will be finishing the stream for today. So thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for staying. I appreciate every single one of you. Hope you all have one. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for staying. I appreciate every single one of you. Hope you all have a wonderful day / night / whatever time zone you're in. Take care of yourselves, take care of your family, but most importantly, take care of yourselves, you beautiful, fantastic, amazing, spectacular, cute, adorable, and just purely fantabulous beings that live in this plane of existence. Yeah, tomorrow, I'll try to do Deep Rock Galactic, hopefully, fingers crossed. If anything, I'll probably maybe just do a community, I'll do a community Deep Rock Galactic, which we haven't done in a while, so... Yeah. That note. Yeah, I love you and leave you all for tonight. Take care of yourselves. Sleep well. Have a wonderful rest of your night. And bye. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.